Welcome back to the messy background with the Nintendo Switch. Holiday table unboxing. We've moved the sprinkles off the table.
Yeah.
So that's a step in the right direction.
I'm slowly getting less cluttered behind us.
I mean, it's just, with the holidays, there's too much going on, you guys. I can't. Your table's been taken by other things. So what do we, this is Popmart stuff?
Yeah, this is the 1 a.m. sleepy times.
These are kind of adorable.
They are. Not the biggest fan of the monsters, even though they're super popular.
You don't like the monsters?
I like them, but not as much as Molly's or
That's true.
Scorpandas.
I'm going first. I'm just going for it.
Just rip it.
I can't. I can't. That's what I get for trying to look like an overachiever. I can't get in there. Oh my gosh, it's open? Wow, they glued that one.
Right?
That was super glued. Silicone. Oh, look at the card. You guys, I'm going to know what I got before you know. Okay. She ripped the whole corner of the box off.
Well, yeah. I didn't look at the cards, so I'm going to be surprised.
We have no room for these in the display case, by the way.
Zero.
Totally out of room for these. Oh gosh, these are chunky.
That's the good thing about Monster Series. Is they're always so thick.
They're getting bigger though. This one's
That
big.
Humongous. What are you?
He's a sushi.
He's like a sushi roll. Like
Why does this remind me
roll?
so much of like My Neighbor Totoro right here?
Very much. I was just thinking the same thing. That face, the fluffy face.
It has hardcore Ghibli vibes.
Is that supposed to be a sleeping bag?
That one is called, what is that one called? It's called Crawling Time.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe he's pretending to be a gerbil?
He's pretending.
Or a
to
mouse? Maybe he's supposed to be a
Totoro.
mouse. Kind of looks like Totoro.
Should I rip from the bottom? Just in case?
Yeah, I took the easy one. Sorry. I do like that it's like a fuzzy flocky, though.
Yeah, it's a nice flock.
Yeah, it feels weird. I'm enjoying it. Also, his little feetsies. Really cute. Let's see. Other holiday horror stories.
What's your horse?
From the retail world. I don't know. Still have to finish
I gotta scooch in here.
purchasing things for the holiday
Oh, I know.
jingle and
Like,
mingle.
we thought we were almost done with getting set up, and no. It takes so much work.
I've made 2 batches of fudge.
Delicious batches of fudge.
It's not real fudge. It's like the no-bake fudge. Tastes so good, though. So easy.
Wow, okay.
What did you get that's like stuck in it? It looks like a banana. Is there a banana
A
one?
little flocked orange creamsicle.
Oh, he's kind of cute. Or is that the girl? That's one of the girls, I think.
Look how thick that is. You guys can't see the thickness that I can see. That's like a 10-pound toy. I mean, not 10 pound.
Yeah, why are they getting so big?
I don't know, man. You don't need to be that chunky, do you?
What are
It's
they
kinda
putting
nice.
in there? What are they feeding these Labubu
they give 'em a lot
these
of lead.
monsters?
That's cute.
You did
That
good.
kinda
I
look-
like that
that
one.
looks
I like the
familiar.
color.
That looks familiar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's adorable.
Your turn?
With the little legs underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyone who's been around babies knows
That's
there's a stage of baby dreamland where they be getting their little, like they're on all fours but asleep. It's very strange. Okay, I have to open it from the bottom. Can you do it? You're like closer.
All right.
I'll watch. I'll commentate.
Judge my ripping skills.
I mean, they're better than mine.
Yeah, I'll tell you, I mean, the horrors so far for me for this holiday season, besides for some of the shipping delays, is like the shipping costs now.
Yeah.
It used to be USPS was always the cheaper option. Now, literally, even like on special contracts, UPS is now cheaper, which is crazy. Thank you, administration. Where are we at? Let me see if it's, make sure it's not a duplication. Yeah, so that's been eye-opening for me. And that was always just a temporary thing. No, it's not. It's never temporary. They raise it.
Let's just say that the current fiscal year is not a good year to be in small business.
No.
This is not a year for small businesses.
Oh, he's got a little
Ducky on his
ducky.
foot. He's
he on the
sitting
potty?
on the other ducky. Is that supposed to be the potty?
I mean, it kind of looks...
That's a little ducky potty. Are you taking a little...
He's a sleepy poopy.
He's taking a little late night wee-wee.
That kind of looks like
a little
it.
sneaky wee.
I don't... Yeah, he's got his duck slippers.
That's probably not supposed to be a potty, right? Right?
No, but is it... So is it just a floating device that he's sitting on? It's just a flotation
Is that the
device.
secret?
No, it's
not the secret.
cover.
Oh, it's on the cover? No, it's not. Where is it? It's not the secret, is it? Because the secret's got
The
like...
secret's got something else.
It's like crawling over something, but it's also not on the side of the box.
I'm confused.
I'm very confused, you guys. I'm kidding. Like...
Is that on the
Oh,
other
no,
side?
there he is. There he is.
Where?
He's over here. Is that
Oh,
him?
yeah, it's just hard to see.
It's hard to see the ducky. This is called relaxed time.
Yeah.
He's taking a pee-pee.
He's using the restroom.
It's a little pee-pee.
They're all flocked. That's kind of cool.
I don't know why they gave us Labubu taking a little dump.
Everybody...
I don't even know how to comment on this.
That's funny. Oh, yeah, I got to get the cards, huh?
This one's like a cat burglar. He's like coming to eat your pets.
Yeah.
This one's just like done in. And this was like, yeah, you're watching me. You're watching me take a wee.
I like the red-headed one.
Yeah, that I do too. The orange one is really cute. Oh, I lost a card for one. Where's the other card? Where's your orange card?
That's a good question. Where did the orange box go?
Here it is.
There it is. Okay.
We need our cards.
Cards are
important. Okay, one left.
Okay. Please pull the Skull Panda.
I would love if we pulled the Skull Panda. So, I said that's the Skull Panda.
Skull Panda.
It's a new language I've made in the span of 30 seconds.
So this is like a kind of a all-inclusive.
Yeah, it has all the different Popmart. What is wrong with me right now?
Nothing.
I need more root beer. Okay, so all the different Popmart toys. That's one of the skulls, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Sparks and bloom.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really want the baby Molly. I don't really want the cuckoo Labubu.
Definitely don't want the crybaby.
Yeah,
I shouldn't say these things because
some people love crybabies. I am not. I would be okay with Echoes of Time. Yeah, there's some cute ones in here, but come on, Skull. It's like a 1 in 100. Look at that.
I know.
Did you lift these boxes for weight? No,
did
you
not.
didn't get the secret. You gotta lift for weight.
You're
Look
right,
how heavy that secret
thick.
is.
I should have lifted for weight.
Yeah, when I lift for weight, I always pull secrets. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna rip it.
Yep.
Come on, Skull Panda. We love Skull Panda. And it's so hard to get these ones that are like one pull out of all the different toys.
Super hard.
These are like the off-ball collector's pieces that everybody's trying to like resell on Mercari for hundreds. Okay. It's not Skull Panda. It's Labubu Cuckoo. It's Cuckoo Labubu. It's literally because I said Cuckoo Labubu.
He's alright. How do you display him?
I don't know. You can't set him down. You can't hang him up. Maybe you just... I don't know. I don't know how you display him.
Interesting.
He's called Countdown. So he's like Countdown to Days of Christmas, I guess.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a cute card.
The card looks great, yeah.
15th anniversary. Wow, I almost said that wrong too. Anniversary. I'm having a moment. No Skull Panda.
Not Skull Panda.
That's two sad unboxing videos in a row. Sad.
These ones are pretty good, though. I don't know what I was hoping for.
I like that one.
Yeah.
I don't know about Winky P.
Winky P's a little awkward. I'm not gonna lie.
And I don't know about Totoro.
Legit, like how do
He's
you?
like cosplaying.
How? Popmart, get back to us. How do we display them? Is it like this? Do I just glue them to a wall? Like, anyways.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.